guys, my name is Imogen from Imogenation here on YouTube, and today I'm here with Superdrug to test out Flower Beauty, which is Drew Barrymore's makeup range. I am so excited. It's my first time trying this brand, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look and my honest opinions, then just keep watching.
Hi, my name is Simone and I'm trying the Flower Beauty range by Drew Barrymore, and keep on watching to find out how I achieved this look.
Right, so the first product I'm going to take, I've been eyeing up, is the Flower Beauty Supernova Celestial Skin Elixir.
So I'm going to start with my primer, and the primer that I'm using is the hydration primer because my face can be a little bit dry.
Feels really hydrating and nourishing. That smells nice.
So as I'm applying, I can feel that it's really nice and moisturising on the skin. Now once my primer is on, I'm going to start with my concealer.
So I'm going to take the Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel, and this is meant to be all day wear, and it's natural beige, the colour I'm taking, and it also has a sunscreen, an SPF 18, so I'm going to take this.
So what I like about this concealer already, that it actually says that it's Light Illusion, and as you can see, it barely looks like I'm wearing concealer.
Really nice. I like the coverage, I like the fact that it's easy to build, I like the fact that it's really dewy but not too oily looking. I love the fact you can still see the elixir coming on from underneath, so now I'm going to take my concealer.
So now what I'm really excited about is applying my foundation, and we're going to be using the Tawny from the Light Illusion Flower Beauty range.
This is the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer from Flower Beauty. So I'm just going to pat this and I'm just going to blend this out with the Beauty Blender. So Flower Beauty is actually available online and in store, which is really exciting.
And I'm really happy with this. Like, if you're not big on foundation like I am, it does feel really lightweight, and I don't feel like my face is claustrophobic. And usually when I put foundation on, I already start sweating, and I'm feeling really confident with this one on.
That is lovely. It's literally brought my under eyes and it's just made it light and bright.
So I'm now going to be trying the Flower Beauty Contour Palette, and I'm just going to be using this just at the creases of my eyes in this tone.
So it has a contour, a blush and a highlight. I'm going to take a little bit of this contour shade here. Really soft and subtle but still buildable. Then I'm going to take a massive brush and I'm going to go into this blusher, a little bit in the middle here. Smile with the apples. Oh, that's nice. Right, so we're going to take that contour palette again, and we're going to go into the contour colour that I just used, and we're going to take a simple crease brush, and we're just going to line our crease with this bronzing shade. Just go underneath as well.
So I'm now moving on to a bit of highlight, because who doesn't love a bit of shine? And I'm going to go for a bit of gold look. So what's really good with these highlight palettes is that it's very pigmented, which is really good for my skin.
So I'm going to take the highlighting palette, which is in the colour Shimmer and Strobe, and I see 3 beautiful colours.
What I'm really surprised about is how easy it is to apply. So usually when I'm using highlights, I'm literally like rubbing it in to get some onto the brush, and look at that. Amazing. Highlight done.
This is wonderful. Look at that glow. My cheek.
So I'm now going to be adding a little bit of blush. Now to create that natural look that I'm going for, I'm going to add these two.
Then I'm just going to go back into the contouring palette which I used earlier, and then I'm just going to dip my brush into the blush and the contour shade.
And there you have it, a nice cheeky little rosy look on the cheeks.
My skin looks so healthy and glowy and wonderful.
So last but not least, we're now going to apply my matte lipstick.
So I'm going to take this, which I'm so excited for. I was looking at it earlier, and it is the Mix and Matte Lip Duo. So this is in the colour Melon Kiss. I'm just gonna... Oh my goodness. This is unreal.
It smells really nice as I'm applying it.
Oh my god, that colour is so nice.
And it feels quite water-based.
So then I'm going to take the glossy part. I'm actually just going to take this in the centre to create a nice little light effect. Oh, that is gorgeous. So this is the finished makeup look that I created today using Flower Beauty. I am completely obsessed with it.
It's so amazing to have products on my face that don't feel heavy. They're so light, they're easy to use, that just kind of wants to be able to have makeup on but not too much. Yes, I'm really impressed with the look.
My skin looks glowing, it looks healthy, it looks like skin. I love the way that it just all ties into each other and is so soft and subtle and natural but still gorgeous. I'm obsessed.
If you would like to try out this product, you can shop online, or they'll be available in selected stores that you can find in the description below.
And join this family over here because you need to subscribe for all the videos that we have coming up. Make sure you go into the description and see all of the amazing products, and you can shop it online and in store, and it's exclusive to Superdrug in the UK. Thank you, bye.